Good morning, boys and girls. This is our phonics lesson. We will begin with generating or making rhyming words. I have a word here. This is the word bop. To make a word that rhymes with bop, I need to look at the ending. The ending is up. So I'm going to copy the ending on this side. Up. And to make a rhyming word, I'm going to add a letter at the beginning, but it's going to be different than this one. So if this one says Bob, I'm going to put an M right here, and I just made a new word that will rhyme with Bob because they have the same ending. Now I'm going to make the sounds. Mop, mop, bop, mop. They rhyme, they sound alike at the end. Now I'm going to make another example. If I change this letter and I put an H, I just made a new word that rhymes with this one. I'm going to sound it out. Hop, hop, bop, hop. They rhyme because they have the same ending. They sound alike. Now, I'm going to make another example, and you're going to practice doing it. Generating a rhyming word. If I have the word kid, you will look at the ending. The ending is id. Okay? So we will copy the ending on this side and make a line for the first letter. Now you're going to change this letter and put a different letter here to make a new word. So I'm gonna help you this time. I'm going to put an R for you, and you're gonna sound it out with me. Ready? Oops, sorry. This should be a D. Let's go again. Read, read, kid, read. Awesome. Instead of R, we're going to change that to an S. Okay? And we make the sound S, id, sit, kid, sit. They rhyme because they have the same ending. Okay. Now your job will be to make rhyming words for these words. I'm going to write them here, and then at home, if you can copy in your notebook and you change the first letter to make the rhyming word. Okay? You will have 3 words for this. The first one is the word them. So I'm going to do just this for you on the first one. You put the ending here, and you leave a space for the first letter. Now your other 2 words, you will do the whole work. So the other word is the word yam. Okay, you're going to do a rhyming word right there. And one more, the word cod. You will look at the ending and you make a new word that rhymes. So you can pause the video to look at the words and make rhyming words for these words on this side. You can take a picture of this in Seesaw to show me that you did your work for your phonics lesson. Alright, now the second part of our phonics lesson today is review all of our letter cards, okay? And you know what we do. We say the letter name, the word in the picture, and the sound. S, sun, S. D, dolphin, D. You do it with me, okay? G, gorilla, G. P, puma, P. O, octopus, O. F, fossil. H, horse. I, inch. E, R, rabbit. R, N, nest. N, C, canoe. K, A, apple. A, B, bicycle. B, M, map. M, T, tomato. T. Good job doing it with me. Now it's your turn to do it by yourself. I'm just gonna point and you will try to do it as fast as you can. I'm sure you can do it super fast by now. Very good. And this first video has one more part. This time we're going to make some words. You're going to repeat a word that I said. You're going to whisper and count how many sounds you hear, and you're going to write the words, okay? So I'm going to make one example. I'm going to do an example with the word dog. So you're going to hear the word. I'm going to pretend that I'm you, okay? So the teacher will say the word and use the word in a sentence. So, dog. I love to go running with my dog. Dog. Now the student, and I will pretend I'm the student. Dog. Then I will whisper the sounds and count how many sounds. D, O, G. I heard 3 sounds. So I can draw 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3 boxes. And I will write the letters that I heard in the sounds. So I heard D, I heard O, and I heard G. That says dog. Okay? So we're separating the sounds and then writing the sounds that we hear. So that was my example. Now I have a list of words, and you're going to practice repeating the word. You will whisper and count the sounds, draw a box, and write the letters in the box. Okay? Let's do the first one together. Okay? So, my turn. Cab. The cab drove me to the hotel. Cab. K, A, B. I heard 3 sounds. So I made 3 boxes and I heard K, A, B. Cab. You see how I did it? Well, you did it with me actually. So now it's your turn to do the following words. I'm going to say the word. I will use it in a sentence, and then you repeat the word, whisper the sounds, and then write each sound in a box. Okay, so here we go. The first word is bean. The bean had a bunch of apples. Bean. Now repeat the word bean, count the sounds, and write those letters in the boxes. You can pause the video if you need more time. I'll give you the next word. The next word is run. He ran as fast as he could. Ran. Now you repeat the word, whisper the sounds, count them, and write the sounds in boxes. And the last one, top. I put a hat on top of my head. Top. Say the word, whisper the sounds slowly, and write the letters that you hear in boxes. Great job. That's the first part of our phonics lesson. I will see you in the next video.